Did you know that half of all butterflies are currently listed on the red list, meaning that their extinction is either imminent or near imminent? How to invite threatened butterflies into your garden. Due to causes like habitat loss, pollution, and climate change, the number of vulnerable butterfly species has increased by 26% over the past 11 years. The Big Butterfly Count, an annual initiative to track butterfly populations and raise awareness of the problem, has the backing of celebrities including Sir David Attenborough, Chris Packham, and Alan Titchmarsh. The Big Butterfly Count is best done at home with a cup of tea or a cold beverage in hand because 20 species of butterflies regularly visit British gardens in the summer. No need for travel, specialized clothing, or equipment. Go outside, relax in a chair, and just count. Construct a butterfly cocktail. Serving people butterfly cocktails at a time of year when butterflies are most noticeable in gardens could be one strategy to increase the number of butterflies, according to scientists. The simplest method is for mashing up a ripe banana, adding brown sugar, and combining with some old beer. You can experiment by adding black rum and/or soy sauce to take this to the next level. Even better is to let the mixture ferment for several weeks or months before using it. Plant butterfly-friendly vegetation. Plant vibrant, fragrant, nectar-rich blooms in your garden to entice butterflies. Buddleja plants are highly attractive to butterflies, aka the butterfly bush. Pesticides must also be avoided, and it's best to leave fruit that has fallen under trees. Discard expired produce or overripe fruit. In fact, butterflies seek out fermented foods and beverages, and after consuming their fill, they relax. Because male butterflies are fiercely territorial, fights between them are frequent and can often be seen near feeding stations. As with most animals, mating attempts frequently result in conflict, despite the fact that their graceful flight patterns appear anything but hostile. Prepare a solution of simple sugar. Another fantastic substitution for the previously mentioned butterfly cocktail is a simple sugar solution, which is made by heating 1 part sugar to a boiling temperature and 4 parts water. Butterflies drink in part to increase their spermatophores, which are females' wedding presents. They enjoy adding nutrient-rich mud or even animal dung to them. Construct a butterfly habitat. Butterfly houses provide them with a safe haven away from predators. They are made to resemble tree bark. Brightly colored house paint will help draw in residents. Since butterflies have a 4-part life cycle, they make excellent subjects for kids learning about nature. They captivate both children and adults with their remarkable life journey, which starts with eggs and continues with caterpillars, pupae, and adult butterflies.